Hello, trading is closed on March 27, 2014, and I'm Jeffrey Tennant. Let's talk about today's market. mejt gave a couple of calls today. Over here it said ultimately lower prices would print, which they did. It said this drop was not for keep and it would retrace, which it did. There was a target from March 24th, which did print. There was also a target from yesterday, 1874.17 plus, which we came nowhere near. As I've said before, if we do have a major change in trend, mejt likes to leave a failed target behind. So we have to take this one with a small grain of salt. However, this is based on an ultimate signal, and targets based on ultimate signals practically always print. As far as other market indicators are concerned, I should say that mejt isn't giving any call for tomorrow. As far as other indicators are concerned, I had some pretty good buy signals at yesterday's low. I was looking for a gap up and a rally. I said if it failed, it would be obvious from the open. Well, there was no gap up, so it was pretty much dead from the open. The buy signals from yesterday haven't been invalidated yet. If you look at the recent drop from the high, the first leg and the second leg are pretty much equal. Often that's where a corrective move stops. Doesn't have to, but it's one of the common places. If you look at the NASDAQ McClellan oscillator, we are right at or below the lower Bollinger Band. That's often a place to look for a market low. The other side of the coin is I have some pretty good evidence that market may have topped out earlier in the month. When I have conflicting indicators like this, I don't like to give a call, and I'm not going to give one for tomorrow. Often, but not always, there is a gap outside of the day's range, which dictates how prices will trend for the rest of the day. Longer term, I feel we may well have topped out. I would like to see a rally up to this higher target first before starting a decline, but I don't have a call for tomorrow.